In front of me is HONOR X7A, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Devices settings. In them, click on More Connections, select Printing, and tap on Default Print Service. Then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you wish to use different print service, you need to disable this one thanks to this blue switcher. Then click on the back button and tap on Add Service. Now install the best one for you, in my case HP one. And when it's ready, click on the back button twice. Lastly, just click on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!